In today's video, we're going to take a look at NVIDIA, and it's not because I don't like it, but I do see it getting extended, okay? And that's where you want to protect profits. I mean, this rally could continue, absolutely, but it's better, well, I think you're better off safe than sorry. So typically the pattern that we're looking at in the markets are, for an uptrend, you have a nice little rally, you have a pullback that comes into maybe symmetry projections and retracements, and then you have another extension, and then you have another pullback to, either, well, there's some symmetry projections here, and there was also a 618 retracement here. That was the last setup. And now we're back into extensions where moves tend to terminate, if only temporarily. So this is what you want to be aware of if you're long this name, because we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like about 5 or 6 price relationships for potential resistance at the 177.94 to 181.22 area, and in it, we include the extensions of the prior swings. And many of you have heard me say in the past, many moves tend to terminate at extensions, if only temporarily. So that's the first area that is going to be relatively difficult to push through, and then the next one after that is going to be 183.96 to 184.74. So just want you to be aware of those areas. If you are long this name, it's a really good idea to ratchet up stops on longs. Now there's going to be some of you that'll be tempted to say, well, I want to short it then, if this is at resistance. But you have to remember, there's no guarantee that you're going to pull back, and a counter trend short is certainly not going to be as good as a trend buy. So anyway, bottom line, if you're long NVIDIA, I'm suggesting that you want to ratchet up stops relatively close to current levels, just in case we start to fail at this resistance.